Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So in today's video I am popping on to share my make for the autumn Halloween collaboration, which is hosted by Lisa at Crafting Diva. I will leave a link to Lisa's channel in my description box below, and also all of the other people who are taking part. Just before I go any further, the sun is really shining on my desk, so I'm just going to flip my blinds around and see if that's going to help. Hopefully, yeah, that's it, that's better. So today I have made a pop-up card, so it's a pumpkin pop-up card, and to create my card I've used a couple of paper pads. So it is these. I'll just give a quick flip through the paper pads. Some lovely wording, some script, florals. They're like toppers, lovely autumn colours and autumn themes running through the paper pad. So that is one of the paper pads, and the other one is this paper pad with mushrooms, gingham, pumpkins, a mixture of mushrooms and pumpkins and acorns. Lovely. So that is a quick flick through the paper pads. So a couple of the sheets I used was this sheet with these gorgeous floral kind of toppers. So I've cut one of those out, and I've also used this sheet to create the front of my card. So this is my card. So it's a 6x6 cream card, and then I've cut out a piece of craft card which I've layered over the top, and then this lovely paper is from my sunflower collection paper pad. And what I've done, just dotted around the card, is I've cut out the little leaves, acorns and mushrooms, and just dotted those around the front of my card. Then, like I said, I took this sheet and I've fussy cut the floral topper, and I also used the Hello Autumn, which I took from the sentiment sheet. So I've popped fussy cut Hello Autumn, and I've popped it on top of the lovely topper. I've popped some little foam pads around the edge, as my larger ones would be too big to go right to the end. So just to finish my card, I've got to pop some some bigger foam pads onto my card there. Let's see if we can get that one in there, and then can we pop one there, and will we get this one in? Not quite. Okay, so I'll move that one along, and then I will pop that one in there like so. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to peel the back of my foam pads, and then we'll get this stuck down. I've just got a couple to peel from the back. Oh, that one's already off, yeah. And then what I like to do is just pop a little bit of glue onto the back of my foam pads, and this just helps to give a little bit of wiggle room. Then I'm going to flip that around. Oops, it's upside down. And I'm just going to pop that down just there. So that is the front of my card. And then to reveal the pop-up pumpkins, I'm just going to pop my card open like so. There you can see the pumpkins just pop up perfectly, and there you can see the pumpkins just sat on the little columns I've created. I've then decorated at the top with the gorgeous sunflowers from my sunflower collection. And then I've popped this sentiment at the bottom. I'm just going to bring that a little bit closer, and that says pumpkin picking. So I've just popped that down flat onto the card. So yeah, there you go. There is my pumpkin pop-up card. If you would like to see how I've created this card, I am going to leave a link in my description box below that will take you to the video on my channel where you will see how to create this style card. So yeah, there is my make for autumn. If you have enjoyed my video, would you please consider giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I would really love to hear from you. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, see you soon, and bye bye for now.